Okay, guys, here is the kitchen. This is the size and scale. A lot easier to do it this way with the rendering so you can see exactly what's coming. Um, I'll go over each one specifically. Obviously, your fridge here, the broom or utility cabinet on the left side, your dishwasher, an apron sink, the blind corner cabinet, so there'll be storage in here, drawer stack on the right, pantry cabinet here. This one has 4 rollouts inside after you open the doors. 30-inch range, drawer stack to the left, tray divider, cookie sheet storage to the right, your microwave's mounted here. The cabinet above it sticks out a little bit more, and then uppers left and right with adjustable shelves. So looking at the range wall head on, these are the sizes of these cabinets. The wall width, we have the brick on here, so there'll be a panel that will die into the brick. So it'll cover up this corner of the brick. Fridge cabinet, the opening, and if you could email me back your appliance sizes. Dishwasher and the range should be fine, but I need to know the apron sink size. The dishwasher should fit in here, but if you've got a really deep fridge, because these fridge legs, which encloses the right side of the fridge, comes out 26 1/4. Adjustable shelf up here. We'll put a piece of material in between the dishwasher and the panel just to push it away a little bit from the fridge leg. And this cabinet here on the left side of the fridge, 9 inches deep, that's the width. Crown molding will terminate at the ceiling, and adjustable shelves in here. This cabinet here, the sink cabinet will come out 24 inches, so it'll end roughly in here. Then this door opens up, and there's a shelf in there for storage in the back. 3-drawer stack. Then you'll have another countertop up here at 42 inches. And I know you had a question with the sink cabinet with making these doors. My 2 cents would be to leave these as doors, and we'll put a rollout on the inside. So if you wanted this all to open up like a drawer, it's just going to be awkward to get in there, and you can only have a rollout on the bottom because a lot of this is going to be used up by plumbing. So if this all were to roll out or open up as a drawer, you're going to have to stoop over and bend over to get to anything down there, versus if we just keep it as is, we can just open up those doors and pull the rollout out on the bottom. Because most of the space in here is going to be filled with garbage disposal and plumbing, so you can only have a rollout on the very bottom. And the only way to attach these fronts is to this 4-inch tall drawer on the bottom. So it's not very strong to attach these 24-inch tall doors to this small 4-inch tall rollout versus just keeping it mounted on hinges. That's my 2 cents. I mean, we can do it the other way if you'd like, but that's my recommendation. So take a look at this. Let me know. Measurements have been double checked. This is all lined up. The sink is on center with this here. This is a slab panel or a fridge leg. Let me know what you guys think. And it'd be nice if we could have your stamp of approval on this by Monday. That would be great. Thanks, guys.